Hey there GRE warriors, today I'm diving into a word you've probably seen if you're hitting those vocab lists hard. Abdicate. It's one of those GRE words that can make or break your verbal score, so let's break it down. Abdicate. When you hear it, think of someone giving up a position of power or responsibility. Imagine a king who decides to step down from the throne, handing over his duties to someone else. That's abdication in action. Now, why is this word so important for the GRE? The verbal section of the GRE is designed to test not just your vocabulary but your understanding of how to use words in context. Knowing the precise meaning of words like abdicate can help you navigate tricky text completion and sentence equivalence questions. Let's take a look at some examples. If a sentence reads, "The CEO chose to abdicate his role amid the financial crisis," it means he's stepping down voluntarily. Or in a more historical context, King Edward VIII abdicated the throne in 1936. Same idea, giving up a position of power, but it's not just about memorizing definitions, you need to understand the nuances. For instance, abdicate often implies a sense of responsibility being relinquished. It's not just stepping down, it's stepping away from duties that were once yours. So how can you ensure you know words like abdicate inside and out? First, use them in sentences. Write them down, use them in conversation, even if it feels awkward. The more you use a word, the better you'll remember it. Second, read widely. The more you expose yourself to different contexts where these words appear, the more natural they'll feel to you. Newspapers, academic journals, novels, they're all gold mines for GRE vocab. And third, practice, practice, practice. Use flashcards, apps, whatever works for you. The GRE isn't just testing your memory, it's testing your ability to apply what you know. Remember, every word you master is a tool in your GRE toolkit. Abdicate is just one of many, but it's a great example of how a strong vocabulary can help you ace this test. So get out there and tackle those vocab lists. Your future grad school self will thank you. Until next time, keep grinding and stay focused. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GRE tips and tricks. See you in the next video.